How you doing? This is James from JB Electric. We're here at Balmain, and what we're doing is we're changing out these fixtures here. So we originally installed these when this was Roberto Cavali, these square fixtures right here, and there's a bunch of them. See, they're all burning out, and so actually they even have one here today that burned out too. But anyways, what we're doing is we're just changing them out to 4-inch adjustable LEDs. So the only thing is that there's just a little patch that we're gonna have to do around there, which is not a big deal. I don't even think they would even care about that, but we'll clean it up. And then basically what's happening here is that we'll get these guys all changed up. But this was the original store. I gave you guys a video of this like, what, 5-6 years ago. But this is finally what it looks like when it's finished. This is all the lighting we put in. All this track lighting we put in over here too. All this track lighting we did. We've had problems with this, but we fixed it since. But this was that store that I did basically when I did a walkthrough way back when this was Roberto Cavali. Now it's a Balmain outlet. But this is all of our electrical. And the only problem they had are these stupid little lights right here. And they burn out. And the problem is you can't replace them because they are wafer LEDs. So I replaced some of these before, but you can't find them anymore. Of course, they discontinued them. So anyways, all right, have a good day. Thanks for watching.